We're going to make a tinga taco casserole. We take an onion, we get it soft in a little olive oil or canola oil, right? Then we grate in a little garlic, and then we add in a few tablespoons of our chipotle and adobo paste, our chipotle paste. 1, 2, 3. About a teaspoon each of cumin and oregano, Mexican oregano. A 14-ounce can of fire-roasted tomato. A little bit of chicken stock or bone broth, about a cup or so. And let that come up to a bubble. And then we're going to let the rotisserie chicken go for a swim in the delicious sauce. So if you have a gas stove, just turn a burner on, char them right over the flames. If you do not have a gas top stove, pick a cast iron skillet, dry, stainless skillet. So I'm gonna do 12 of these to make one medium-sized casserole that would feed 4 adult people. So we're going to take 4 tortillas, pop them on the bottom, add our chicky, half our chicky, okay? Cheese. This is just an organic Mexican cheese blend, like straight out of the sack. I didn't even grate this thing. 4 more doodads. Cheese. And I left the last 4 of these dudes hanging in the tinga. So we put those tinga soaked pieces up on the top. So look, we take then what? Cheese! Pop this sucker in the oven. It's already hot. We're just really browning the cheese. So tinga time is out of the oven. So we just top it with a little bit of green stuff. It's just some scallions and a little bit of cilantro. I cannot see you. If you do not like cilantro, don't use it. Let's get them over here. And that's how you roll with a casserole.